So for those whānau that are new to the kaupapa, Tāne Ora and Hine Ora programs that we've set up in our community, because of the cry from the community and through this lady sitting up the front here, she said, well, okay, so what's your cry from your community? Well, we want things that are going to work for us as a people, working within the transformation of violence. And so that's why she offered for Brendan and I to create some programs that may work with our people. And so it's all around the transformation of violence. But it's much bigger than that, and it's not just a program, it's not just kaupapa that goes for 10 weeks or 4 weeks or however long it's gone. It's a lifetime commitment to the transformation of violence against our whānau. And violence is not just the physical act, it's all transgressions across whakapapa. And so for us, it's really serious business, and we commit to the pledge every day. Here's an example of this, the t-shirts that we're wearing about E Tu Whānau. And this is a charter here that says and states what we have committed to and committed our lives to. And there's some other people that have signed it, so I encourage you while you're here to sign this if you are willing to pledge a lifetime to this kaupapa. But at the end of the day, don't write on it if you're not prepared to do that, because otherwise you're just, not being tickered to your own kaupapa. We've had a wonderful year this year with you. We were excited, we were scared, because we were thinking, okay, so we've created all this hype within our communities of Turangi and Taupo. We've now set up our Tāne Ora Tuakana Rōpū, and they're ready to start rocking out stuff from over that side, but they want to come and meet our whānau over here. So it's been a huge, exciting year in terms of Tāne Ora and Hine Ora.